Hi everyone, this is Sean from Bid4Assets, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to transfer your sheriff sale bid deposit from one Bid4Assets sheriff sale auction date to another. A couple of things to note right up front: deposits are required for most public auctions on Bid4Assets, including all sheriff sale auctions. One deposit qualifies you to bid on every single auction available on a given county's auction date, and deposits can be sent to Bid4Assets either through certified check or wire transfer. Below, you'll find a video linked in the description guiding you on how to do this. Now, if you win an auction or auctions in a sheriff sale, then your deposit will be applied towards your final payment. But if you don't win, then you can transfer your deposit from one county's auction date to another without submitting a new bid deposit. Here's how you opt in to do this. You can obtain instructions for submitting a deposit either through certified check or wire transfer, once again, from the auction page for any property available in a given county's sheriff sale. Just go to the auction page and look for the big orange button that reads "Click here for deposit instructions." After providing your pre-vesting information, you'll be taken to this screen where you will be asked whether you'd like to transfer your deposit from for the county's next sale date if you are not a winning bidder. Just click yes here and then proceed to the next page to obtain your deposit instructions. At this point, once the sale is over, your deposit will be automatically transferred to the county in question's next auction date if you are a non-winning bidder. Now, what if you selected no here, but after the auction, you decided that you would like to transfer your deposit instead of having it refunded to you? Or what if this is the second time your deposit has been used for an auction and you'd like to transfer it over a third time? Well, you can actually initialize a transfer of your deposit directly from your Bid4Assets account as well. Here's how that works. Log in to your Bid4Assets account, and here on the left-hand side, you should see a tab which reads My Bid Deposits. When you click on that tab, you will be taken to this page, displaying the latest auctions where you have deposits initialized. Now, for sheriff sale auctions, you will have 48 hours after bidding in the auction has closed to transfer your deposit to the next sale date from this page. To do that, you just select Manage, and then you select Transfer. And again, this is within 48 hours after bidding has closed for the sale. You select Transfer here, it will initiate a deposit transfer to the county's next auction. Keep in mind, you will need to do this after each sale. Otherwise, your deposit will be refunded to you via e-check using the email address that's linked to your Bid4Assets account. And there you have it. Remember, we host sheriff sales every month for multiple counties, and you can view a list of upcoming auctions by going to the Bid4Assets homepage and selecting Sheriff Sales/Foreclosures. We hope this video was helpful for you, and we wish you the best of luck in your next auction on Bid4Assets. Take care.